Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video I will be making plantain and oats porridge. Yes guys, I'll be making plantain and oats porridge. Before you guys go down into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with curry gooders. So yes guys, sit back, relax and wait, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So yes guys, these are what I will be working with. The cinnamon, condensed milk, coconut milk. Tell me if you guys love coconut milk in your porridge. I'm using these green plantain here. Don't watch this because this is green. They are green plantain. And I'm working with this oats right here, nutmeg, some vanilla, of course I have to have my sugar, and some salt. I'm not going to use all this salt right here, I'm just using some of it. So guys, as you can see, I have my water here. I just turned on the stove to make my water boiled. Please remember the #1 rules to subscribe. Okay guys, it's been a while since I did a cooking vlog. Well, I actually cooked, but like show you guys how to make something. So today I said I'm gonna make some porridge. Why not showing you guys how to make it? And yes, I gotta cover your hair when you're in the kitchen. Always remember that. No matter where you put over it, make sure the ear is covered, because ear is something that fly, you know. Yes, only constructive criticism will be taken over here. You can tell me this is how I do mine, but don't tell me, please, with all due respect, don't tell me that it's not made like this, because this is how I make it. You understand? Everyone know that you could go ahead by grater in these, because when I grate the plantain you get a better texture, but I'm actually going to blend. I'm going to blend because I want it to be smooth, you know. When I grate it, it's got a different taste to it. I know about that, but I'm going to use the blender today. So I'm going to start the process. So I'm about to put these. So guys, so you can see I have my 3 plantain here. So I'm gonna cut them up. Place in the blender. Take a little piece of thing right here. Whoops. So yes guys, I'm gonna put some oats inside of the blender also. This is gonna be so good. I like to tip a little of this in here and also in the water. This is the cinnamon, so I'm actually adding some, you know, so all that aroma can blend in while you cook. Because guess why I do this now? Sometimes when you put it in the water, it clumps up. I don't know why. You know, back in Jamaica, we don't have the leaf, so we don't have to go through all of that. So guys, realize I just scratch here, I wash my hands again. These are the little things that you have to pay attention to when you are cooking, because it's very easy for cross-contamination. It's very, very easy. Okay? Alright. cover this right here. Right. So when I'm blending, I normally blend and stop. So your blender don't get burned up. You understand? Yeah, you don't want it to go. So I normally blend, stop for a few seconds, and start back again. So guys, it's not fully blend out, but as you know, oats is thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rinse off the spoon. I'm going to dip it in it, stir it up, and start again. So guys, there you have it. My oats with cinnamon. My oats with cinnamon and the green plantain, they're all combined together, and I am going to throw them into the boiling water. So get all that out. So see it there? As soon as I throw it out, you gotta start stir. Why is that? So you don't get no lump. Stir it through, take your time, go through, go around and part it in the middle. Don't want to deal with none of that. So for 10 minutes before I add in my coconut milk and my vanilla and my grated nutmeg egg. Okay guys? About. I wish I could have smelled it down. You're hot. Guys, if y'all could, I'm not gonna lie, I'm fronting. If y'all could smell this porridge, if y'all could smell it, let me show you what's going on. Yeah, if you smell the porridge, smell good, eh? Granny, you see when a grandmother compliments you when you're cooking, you know where they're going good. Nobody else starts the count. Because Granny is the best cooking, cook, you know. So you see when Granny compliments your food, this one thing I love with my Granny. You see, if you give her anything, she tell her if you look salty. If you look at this, she not tell us it. So everything alright. If any problem she have with it, she tell her. I like that with Granny. This look salty man curry, or this too look peppery. No man, this is nice. Me not no fault with it at all. Like the food I'm cook yesterday. I want the sugar to cook out. I'm gonna pour out the sugar in it. Only know nobody said this is a lot of sugar because it's a big pot. I am cooking with porridge, so this is not too much. And most of these milk, they're very weak. Them tin milk, you know, like milk back then in Jamaica. You understand? So I'm gonna go by throw out this into my porridge. Let me set the phone so you can see what I go on. Guys, look at this. Ooh, so I'm gonna throw in my sugar, and while I throw in the sugar, I'm going to mix it. Reason why you don't want to clump it, okay? Only don't tell me, say, that's not how it's made, or this is how I made it. So please, constructive criticism, okay guys? And it tastes very good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not fronting. It's sticking at the bottom. So guys, you gotta stir it so you make sure that sugar dissolves. Wash as you go. I'm gonna throw some of this salt in it. the salt, because you know the salt bring up the flavor. A lot of you didn't know that, right? And it helps people from not getting belly stomach. Even when they make a chocolate tea and stuff like that, it's always good to even tip a pinch of salt in it, or milk tea. You know, back in Jamaica, you know, when your parents prepare food for you, it used to be way better, you know, because we cut back on a lot of things that we used to do. You understand? Because growing up, I was so skinny. And I used to eat way more when I was younger than now. You understand? I used to eat way more. So I did not use all the salt, as you guys can see. I just used some. I don't want all of it. I just want it to bring up the flavor. I'm going to turn up back the stove. Alright, so I'm going to go by adding my coconut milk now. My Grace coconut milk. So the porridge actually cooking now. So I'm actually seasoning it now. I'm putting the flavor. Putting in the spice. And stuffing it right now. Oh God, it smells so good. And guess what the sad part about it? I cannot eat now because I just had a plate of food. If y'all was on my IG live, well, I saved it. You would have seen. And it is Thursday. You know? It been a while, something for talk about. Let me tell you about my new man. Same nigga. So guys, working with Grace coconut milk. Take your time. You have to make sure you stir it in, okay? Take your time about. Something spill right here, so. Look at this, guys. Some vanilla. I'm not putting too much. So, oh, she does straight stuff. We Jamaican, we don't measure stuff to cook. And Jamaican in here can testify to that. We don't measure. We know the amount that we use. Trust me. Now whatever see we are, I'm putting some almond extract. This is very, very strong. So you don't want to use too much. If you want to use it in yours. And make sure if you are making this and if you are going to make this, right? Please make sure the persons who you are preparing it for does not have nut allergies. If you are going to prepare a porridge like this in a restaurant, please don't put none of this in it. I'm sure no one in my home have peanut allergies, so I can use a little of this. I'm sure. I'm just using a little bit because it's very strong. Look at this porridge, and it's not finished as yet. So as you guys see, I just add in my vanilla. And you know the cinnamon is already in there from the beginning when I place it in the blender with the oats and the green plantain to blend together. So you could actually smell that aroma. So I'm going to grate up some nutmeg. So if you don't know what nutmeg look like, this is what it actually look like. It have the powder one too, but I prefer to use this one. So guys, don't grate off your finger. If you think that you cannot use this, it sell the powder one where you can use. Okay? The reason why I'm doing it like this and not, you gotta be careful because you see this, if you try to catch your finger, it's not It's not a good look, okay? And why should not taste it? I don't have to taste it, I'm being honest. The reason why I do it because I want to get all of these on it. Remember, each time you add something to your porridge, to stir it so everything combines together. So remember, each time you place something into your porridge, please to make sure to mix it. Don't show up everything one time and then mix it, because you want everything to take its time. You don't come in mind, everything is there for their own purpose. You don't want everything to clash. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover this. So yes guys, my pot for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to turn off the stove and add my milk. Because growing up, they always say don't throw the thin milk in it while it's cooking. You wait until you turn it off. It's gonna be hot same way, but you wait till you turn off the fire off it, then you pour this in. So I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes so all that I just added to it can actually combine together all this good flavor. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Tell me if you don't want me to set on a plate. Comment down below. So yes guys, 5 minutes later. Use up to open it. You know? So yes guys. Ooh. The milk can look creamy though. You know, say at the first I use this brand. To be honest, this is the first time I use this brand. So I'm using all of this milk. You see the pot big? Need it. Ooh. Get tonight, Corey. So guys, remember to subscribe, you know. Please remember to subscribe. So I'm sweetening the milk now. Did I just say that? Have a laugh. I'm not cut it out. I'm sweetening the porridge now. When I was little, you see those tin milk? I used to eat them on bread. I'm going to show you guys something, right? You see how this porridge look right now? That is showing you that. You see the lines? The milk is not properly mixed out. And I'm going to show you when I properly mix it out. As long as you are seeing those lines, that means the milk not mixed out. I bet y'all didn't know that. Well, maybe you know. I can't wait to enjoy this. You know, my father doesn't feel good when he come home and get this kind. He's a man, he love him porridge and him soup. So yes guys, so I'm gonna show you now. You see everything in a one now? That means your porridge is mixed. Yeah. Talk to me nice. So you know what the love I want to show me? I want to subscribe. That's the love I want. I want y'all to subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay? Remember, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And there you have it. My green plantain and oats porridge. Yes, guys. My green plantain and oats porridge. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Corey Gooders. Bye. Thank you.